Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of the Springwell Water Softener. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know our final verdict on if this water softener is worth it. Springwell Water Softener Overview. The Springwell Water Softener is a top-of-the-line water softening system that aims to provide your home with clean and soft water. It features a compact design and utilizes ion exchange technology to effectively remove hard water minerals, such as magnesium and calcium from your water supply. The system also includes a backwash filter that ensures your water is free from impurities, providing you with the highest quality water for all your household needs. The Springwell Water Softener is incredibly easy to install and comes with clear instructions that make the process hassle-free. Its digital control head allows you to easily monitor the water hardness levels and program the system to regenerate as needed, saving you time and money on maintenance. Additionally, the system comes with a large storage tank that eliminates the need for frequent salt refills, making it an efficient and cost-effective choice. What we liked: efficient ion exchange technology, compact design, easy-to-use digital control panel. What we didn't like: may require professional installation. Features: high-capacity resin tank. The Springwell Water Softener features a high-capacity resin tank that can treat a large amount of water. This means you don't have to refill the tank often and can enjoy a continuous supply of soft water. Digital control panel. The digital control panel makes it easy to manage and monitor the water softening process. You can adjust the settings and view the status of the unit with just a few taps. Efficient regeneration cycle. The Springwell Water Softener uses an efficient regeneration cycle that helps to prolong the life of the resin. This means you can enjoy soft water for longer and save money in the long run. Who is the Springwell Water Softener best suited for? The Springwell Water Softener is best suited for those who want a compact and easy-to-use water softener that won't take up too much space in their home. Verdict: should you get the Springwell Water Softener? Yes. The Springwell Water Softener is an excellent choice for those looking for an effective and efficient solution to hard water problems. With its compact design and easy-to-use digital control panel, it's an affordable and convenient choice for anyone who wants to enjoy soft water in their home. Thanks for watching.